Springs Airport, Oliver Springs, Tennessee. This is Greg Young coming out of here with his mighty 185. And I do mean came out of here. That was loud. That was very loud. Still very loud on the downwind here at Oliver Springs. What a beautiful airport. Nestled in a valley of fine grass and beautiful settings, and a great little airport supported by a farmer who happens to like airplanes. So he lets everybody use his land. Oliver Springs, Tennessee, Greg Young. Fine steep approach. Got about 4 or 5 miles an hour of headwind. Very visible with the strobes. What a great approach. And there are some mountains and canyons in Tennessee. Great wheel landing. Used about 600, 700, 800 feet.